Maybe you're feeling grounded, like that jet that just can't lift off, and you're unable to get anywhere. And that has you playing small. What's actually happening is there's a fear of growth. And what's showing up for you is that you need to spread your wings. This is from the Oracle of the Lake deck. And it's about understanding what your energy is doing right now and how to realign it for your highest good. This particular card, this beautiful monarch butterfly, is all about spreading your wings. It shows up when there's a fear of growth and you're unwilling, maybe, to shift and morph for profound being, capital B, capital E, in your own life and being that self leader that sets you up for greater success. This card reveals that expansion in your life is necessary and it's actually inevitable by the laws of nature. Yet you might be resisting it because change is always difficult for our human self. And it'll keep you from growing when you resist and from taking off into your most beautiful self. Shifting your energy is vital to do so. And it's a fire card. It requires spirit connection to grow and light your path and your beauty so that it rises up from within and you can then grow and show the world exactly who you are. So ask yourself, where am I not seeing my inner beauty? Right? Where am I not seeing my inner beauty right now? And what do I need to release in order to set it free? And most importantly, what would shift in my life if I fully and faithfully trusted in this? Align with that answer. Grow, expand, and spread your wings by also reading the description below and exploring the link about how this card, all of the fire cards, as well as the other cards in the Oracle of the Lake deck, allows you to take off and rise as only who you are supposed to be.